Would you be interested if I could tell you I could get you an interest rate that we're anticipating in the future right now? Before you think that this might be too good to be true, or I might have a trick up my sleeve, or it might be a gimmick, just know, my friends, that I am a consumer also, and I'm also an educator. So at the end of the day, this is all about knowing how to understand the options that you have. A lot of lenders out there have no idea how to navigate these tough times and how to educate. Many people are unfamiliar with this particular strategy. When they hear interest rate buy down, or what I like to buy down my rate, the first thing that they think of is what's the cost to lower the interest rate. But the difference is this, my friends, is that is over a period of 30 years or 15 years. Let's talk about what this is not. This is not an adjustable rate mortgage. It is not an interest-only mortgage. It is not a 40 or 50-year loan. Rather than lowering the interest rate for a 30-year period or maybe a 15 or 20-year period, why not consider lowering the interest rate for, say, 1, 2, or 3 years? Let's first assume that we have a $500,000 mortgage with 5% down. Now, while I know that not everybody can afford 5% down, this is just an illustration, so let's start there. So that leaves a loan of $475,000. In this example, we're going to consider a seller concession or seller credit of 2%. So for the example, if we had a $500,000 purchase with 2% credit, that yields $10,000. Let's also make note that the illustration does not include taxes and insurance, and also mortgage insurance if it's applicable. In the first 12 months, you would save $588 per month. And in the second 12 months, you would save $300+ per month. And in the third year, your payment would go back to what the note rate is today. Again, my friends, this is a fixed rate loan. Let's assume that the interest rates drop in 12 months. If they do, you can refinance out of this 2-year buy down. And should there be any excess funds that were established from the seller credit to do the buy down, then those funds could be applied to your principal balance, which would lower your loan amount. There are a couple key takeaways that you have to pay attention to in regards to qualification and other things. So go ahead and check out the show notes below. And if you have any questions, as always, DM us or call or text, whichever is easy for you. We look forward to working with you. We look forward to the opportunity to connect. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you soon.